If you're working on your freestyle technique, this video I'm going to highlight one part of your stroke that will help improve your overall speed. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Vice channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's quick tip video is on how to improve your freestyle speed moving forward. Now, before I get started, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to show your support by hitting the red subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new and exciting content weekly.
Okay, swimmers, so in this video, I'm going to be going over why correcting the high side arm will lead to smoother and faster freestyle. Your body line is directly influenced by your high side arm. When it slows down and when it's in the wrong position, it will sink your body line as well as reducing momentum. So I'm going to demonstrate this common habit plus correcting it and how to practice moving forward. Here I am demonstrating an old school drill called the zipper drill. Now this may look familiar to you, and if it doesn't, don't worry about it. I'm going through a few strokes of this drill while then correcting it, and I want you to notice the difference in the flow of my high side arm. I'm going to repeat this again to explain further. So here what I'm doing is I'm creating a bend and slowing down my high side arm by raising my elbow past my hip. So you see in this freeze frame right here, I'm actually sinking. I am tracing my hand across the side of my body while then moving my arm forward. It creates a cramped position with my shoulder, and you can clearly see my whole body sinks under the water. The high side arm becomes mechanical and there's no flow to it. Versus when I correct it and release the arm forward, not only does it boost my momentum forward, I also keep my body line lifted. So the difference here, as you saw earlier, where my arm was bent at my hip, now I'm flowing it forward away from my body, so it's nowhere near the side of my hip. This allows for my shoulder to relax and easily move forward, which then creates momentum naturally. So now I've taken the bend out and allowed my arm to flow forward away from my hip, and it's easier, lighter, it keeps the momentum moving, and most importantly, my shoulders are relaxed and fluid, and there's an actual consistent rhythmic pattern to my freestyle. Here's a forward view so you can see how much my body line and my head position sync from just slowing down the arm. You can see how many inches under the surface of the water that my body line sinks, and then because of that, my legs splay due to the imbalance. So when my arm is out of position and slowing down, this is what can cause all of your energy to move down versus forward. Now I'm going to release the high side arm with no hesitation, and you can see how my head position stays at the same level the entire time, unfazed, even if I breathe. So you see here my head position is on the surface. I'm still moving forward without any interruption, and that's from easily flowing the high side arm away from my body, not cramped, and definitely not slowing it down. Here's the view from the side, so you can see also how far my body line drops by slowing the arm down. So it can really throw off your body line just from slowing it down. Also, there's no connection versus here, I'll release the arm quickly and you'll see my body line immediately pop up as you see here. And that's due to taking the hesitation out and releasing the arm away from my hip, not stacked on top. Here's an easy length with no hesitation, and you see my body line stays the same. And really the key to smooth and fast freestyle is economy of movement and taking the path of least resistance. And that is the key and priority for speed.
Okay, swimmers, that's it for today's quick tip video on how to improve your freestyle speed. However, if you are watching this channel and you are struggling with your freestyle technique, or you're looking to take things up a notch, hit the pinned comments below or go to swimvice.com and access the Swim Vice program today. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.